Ready, last ready, a start. It is emphatically argued that since the petitioner did not vacate the quarter under his possession within the prescribed time period as per HBA rules, occupation of the quarter in question became unauthorized with effect from 1/12/1995. The petitioner ultimately vacated the said quarter on 27/10/2009. Thus, he was in unauthorized occupation of quarter in question with effect from 1/12/1995 to 26/10/2009, rendering him liable to pay the penal rent for the said period, electricity charges and other charges along with interest thereon. Therefore, the estate officer, after considering the so cause reply of the petitioner and its rejoinder by the opposite party, company, and document submitted by the parties, has rightly directed the petitioner to pay an amount residential accommodation occupation in relation to any public premises means occupation by any person on grant of license to him to occupy such premises on the basis of an order of allotment for a fixed tenure or for a period he holds office in accordance with the rules and instructions issued in this regard made under the authority of the central government, a state government, a union territory administration, or a statutory authority as the case may be. The paramount object of the Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Act 1971 is to provide for eviction of unauthorized occupants from public premises and for certain incidental matters. It was enacted to provide for a speedy machinery for the eviction of unauthorized occupants and public premises. Section 5 of the Act provides for taking possession of the public premises which are in unauthorized occupation of persons. Section 7 of the Act provides for the recovery of rent or damages in respect of public premises from persons who are in unauthorized occupation thereof. In the instant case, there is no dispute that the petitioner was a permanent employee holding an executive post was allotted the quarter in question. He also applied for house building advance under the rules of the company. Rupees 2 lakhs was sanctioned to him, which has been deducted from his salary and was satisfied during the service period of the petitioner. As per circular of the year 1992, the petitioner was required to vacate the quarter after completion of his house or within 3 months period from the date of satisfaction of last installments that comes to 30/11/1995. A stop.